Welcome to the gateway of your dreams. Delve into the world of manifestation with Neville Goddard's transformative 5-step formula. As a beacon of enlightenment in metaphysics and spiritual exploration, Neville Goddard's teachings have inspired countless seekers on their journey to manifesting desires. Guided by the wisdom of this luminary, you'll unlock the secrets to harnessing the power of your mind and shaping your reality. In this exclusive guide, I've meticulously curated Neville Goddard's timeless wisdom, enhanced for modern understanding and application. Dive into the depths of manifestation mastery as we unravel the intricacies of Neville's profound techniques. With insights influenced by the great Wayne Dyer, this journey promises to be both enlightening and empowering. Are you ready to unleash your full potential? Join me as we embark on a transformative quest to manifest your deepest desires. Say goodbye to limitations and embrace the boundless possibilities of your imagination. Let Neville Goddard's 5-step formula be your roadmap to a life of abundance, fulfillment, and unparalleled success. Your dreams await. Are you ready to claim them? Unlock the gateway to your wildest dreams by harnessing the extraordinary power of imagination, as elucidated by the visionary Neville Goddard. In his profound teachings, Neville asserts that the entire fabric of reality is woven from the threads of imagination. Picture this: every towering skyscraper, every masterpiece of art, every innovation that revolutionized our world, all began as a flicker in someone's mind's eye. Embrace the truth that what is now tangible was once intangible, existing solely in the boundless realm of imagination. Just as William Blake and Wayne Dyer envisioned, the seeds of reality are sown in the fertile soil of the human imagination. Neville's timeless wisdom echoes this sentiment, urging us to grasp the reins of our imagination and sculpt our destiny with intention. But here's the kicker: mastering the art of imagination isn't just about conjuring fanciful fantasies, it's about wielding the creative force that shapes our reality. From personal triumphs to global challenges, every aspect of our world is a testament to the transformative power of imagination. Are you ready to rewrite the script of your life? Neville invites you to peel back the layers of your subconscious, illuminating the beliefs that dictate your reality. If financial struggles weigh heavy on your shoulders, Neville offers a revolutionary insight. Your current circumstances may stem from a subconscious belief, etched into your reality through the canvas of imagination. But fear not, for within the depths of your imagination lies the key to liberation. Through Neville's guidance, you'll unearth the limiting beliefs that hold you captive and replace them with empowering visions of abundance and prosperity. Embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation as you unlock the infinite potential of your imagination. With Neville Goddard as your guide, you'll manifest your deepest desires with unparalleled speed and precision. Dare to dream, for within your imagination lies the power to manifest miracles. Embark on a journey of transformation as we unravel the secrets of harnessing the boundless power of imagination to manifest your deepest desires. Neville Goddard's groundbreaking technique offers a roadmap to reshape your reality and rewrite the script of your life. Are you ready to take the leap? Neville's wisdom unveils a paradigm-shifting insight. It's not enough to simply desire something. You must immerse yourself in the experience of already having it. Picture this: instead of wistfully longing for distant dreams, envision yourself basking in the fulfillment of your desires. Whether it's the thrill of viral success, the warmth of a soulmate's embrace, or the exhilaration of achieving your wildest ambitions, Neville invites you to step into the reality of your dreams. But how does this profound shift in perspective translate into tangible results? The answer lies in the intricate workings of your subconscious mind. By consistently dwelling in the state of having your desires, you're rewiring your subconscious to perceive them as present realities. This isn't wishful thinking, it's a strategic utilization of imagination to align your mindset with your aspirations. Yet, Neville's technique transcends mere visualization. It's about embodying the emotions and sensations of your desired reality. Close your eyes and feel the pulsating energy of success coursing through your veins, the sweet taste of victory lingering on your lips, and the profound sense of fulfillment radiating from within. This is the essence of Neville's methodology: to live from the end result, to revel in the certainty of your dreams fulfilled. I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of Neville's technique in my own life. By shifting from merely thinking of my desires to thinking from them, I've manifested miracles beyond my wildest imagination. From viral success to profound connections and soulmate encounters, each manifestation serves as a testament to the limitless potential within us all. So, are you ready to transcend the boundaries of possibility and unlock the true magic of manifestation? Join me on this exhilarating journey as we harness the extraordinary power of imagination to sculpt a reality beyond your wildest dreams. Your destiny awaits. Are you bold enough to claim it? Dive deeper into the art of manifestation and watch your desires materialize at the speed of thought. Unlock the doorway to your desires with Neville Goddard's transformative concept of living in the end. While grasping this intellectually is crucial, the real magic lies in practical application. Neville simplifies this into a powerful mental technique: dare to envision the end result, transcending doubts and sensory limitations. By steadfastly living as if your dreams are already realized, you solidify their manifestation into reality. Yet, the journey from understanding to application is riddled with challenges. Like many, I grappled with habitual thought patterns that tethered me to my current reality. Despite my fervent desires, old habits persisted, hindering my progress. Central to Neville's philosophy is the recognition of the subconscious's dominance over our lives. Research corroborates this, revealing that the subconscious governs a staggering 95% of our daily existence. This implies that our conscious aspirations often clash with entrenched subconscious programming. To bridge this gap, proactive reprogramming of the subconscious mind is imperative. Techniques like self-hypnosis or brainwashing for success offer a pathway to realigning your subconscious with your conscious goals. By inundating your mind with positive affirmations and assumptions, you pave the way for the seamless integration of desire and reality. In essence, Neville's living in the end technique necessitates a steadfast commitment to assuming and emotionally embodying the fulfillment of your desires. Despite the discordance of current reality or logical reasoning, this entails a conscious endeavor to rewire your subconscious to harmonize with your goals. Are you ready to transcend limitations and step into the boundless realm of possibility? Embrace Neville's wisdom and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes. Unlock the secret gateway to manifestation through the transformative power of sleep, as illuminated by Neville Goddard. Neville's profound technique urges you to redefine your desires with clarity, shedding the influence of external expectations. Before drifting into slumber, immerse yourself in the sensory richness and emotional depth of your desired reality. Allow these visions to permeate your subconscious, paving the way for their manifestation in the physical realm. Why does this technique work wonders? During sleep, the conscious mind takes a back seat, granting the subconscious free rein to absorb and internalize your aspirations. Yet, many battle sleepless nights fraught with worry and anxiety, unwittingly sabotaging their manifestation endeavors. But fear not, for within the realm of sleep lies the key to unlocking boundless potential. Embrace lucid dreaming as a tool to vividly envision the reality you wish to create. By harnessing the power of positive imagination, you not only enhance the quality of your sleep but awaken with renewed optimism and vigor. Embark on a simple yet profound journey before bedtime. Take deep breaths, adorn your face with a smile, and immerse yourself in the vivid imagery of your desires. Should your mind wander, gently guide it back to these enchanting visualizations. With each night's slumber, you inch closer to the manifestation of your deepest desires. Are you ready to transform your nights into portals of possibility? Embrace Neville's wisdom and watch as your dreams materialize with breathtaking clarity. The power to manifest lies within the depths of your subconscious. Harness it, and unleash the infinite possibilities that await you. Thank you very much.